Hello, we are Jim and Pam Beachy, serving with VMMissions in Lezhë, Albania at Lezhë Academic Center.
26 November, Albania suffered a 6.4 magnitude earthquake that greatly impacted the entire country. Upwards of 51 people were killed and up to 2,000 persons were injured severely. But the hardship was broader than that, as many buildings collapsed and were damaged, and countless families are homeless and in makeshift shelters. VMMissions personnel in Lezhë from the church, school, and Joshua Center are working with one group of 74 homeless currently sheltered in the local high school gymnasium. This group represents 15 Roma families and 24 children. The team has been preparing meals, supplying clothing, facilitating medical care, listening to stories, building relationships, teaching hygiene and other life skills, and leading recreational activities. VMMissions has provided initial funding for this work, but your help is needed to continue this aid through the month of December. Weekly costs are approximately $5,000 per week.
I'm Aaron Kaufman, and I serve as president of Virginia Mennonite Missions. In the wake of this disaster in Albania, VMMissions is glad to stand with our missionaries on the ground as they minister God's love to people in need. To help in their efforts, VMMissions has established an Albanian Earthquake Relief Fund. Let's show our Albanian neighbors how much we love them by giving generously this Christmas season. What a great opportunity to demonstrate the meaning of Christmas as we celebrate the indescribable gift of God's Son to us. Thank you, and God bless you.